A few changes coming, but pretty much set it and forget it forecast. So this is out at the coastline, Pismo Beach right now, looking very, very nice. Check that out. Very good. After all that cloud cover this morning that dissipated thanks to the fact that we don't have a really strong temperature inversion, and the winds came up just enough this afternoon, but not too much to be an issue. No advisories of any kind right now. 64 Santa Barbara, west wind 15, Gaviota 70, and 73 in Solvang. 73 in Solvang. Just imagine poking around. What a beautiful town to be in with that kind of temperature. 66 Santa Maria, 65 San Luis. The winds are out of the northwest of 15, and 67 in Paso Robles. A bit breezy right now at Valley Flow at 16 miles per hour. Weather watchers today, 72 in Santa Barbara, Santa Ynez 72, 70 Atascadero, Hearst Castle just 62, 63 at Los Osos. Paso Robles 71, 62 Pismo, 69 San Luis, 68 Santa Maria, and 66 in Lompoc. And a complete report of all the weather watchers available already on my social media. In terms of the modeling here, guess what happens? That low cloud deck comes back in, patches of mist possible, but really not ever present. And tomorrow, I think the afternoon winds will be just a skosh higher, which will help to scrub out the marine deck a little bit earlier. So daytime highs, especially inland, might warm a few degrees. So as we get into later portions of this week, yeah, the marine issue is still out there, but the winds will start picking up. Afternoon winds, essentially Friday through the weekend, could be as strong as 30 miles per hour at the coast. It won't be as strong inland, but we'll see plenty of sunshine. So San Luis Obispo looks like this. Daytime highs right around 68 degrees. Will fall off quickly when those winds pick up. And you can see from 1 to about 6 o'clock, they'll be at 15 to 20 miles per hour with some gusts to 25. Again, no advisories anticipated. Santa Maria just topping out at about 66 degrees in the afternoon. That is not bad at all. Paso Robles and North County, the breeze is back in the afternoon, but low 70s for high, pretty nice. Satellite radar composite does show that marine deck is out there. It'll form back up again when the winds slacken later on tonight. We still have this upper low kind of spinning away in this broad trough in the jet stream. We actually have a split flow here across the area. There's enough variability in the jet stream to keep conditions mild for a while. Okay, yesterday, Washington, D.C. hammered by big thunderstorms. Guess what? Another line is working through right now. New York City saw big thunderstorms only a few hours ago with this line that moved through the area. So that's sort of the big national weather. Here is that upper low kind of kicking through the area through later on this week. And again, this will keep us in coolish conditions. A temporary ridge will crank up the winds as we get into the early portion of the weekend, and another little fluctuation in the jet stream Sunday, Monday to keep us on the cooler side, and yet another little wave in the jet stream. So no heat waves can really establish with that kind of regime. And again, just looking at those breezes calming down tonight, pushing maybe even slightly offshore late overnight and early tomorrow. Again, a little help to get rid of some of those marine clouds. But other than that, this is, again, a set it and forget it forecast. Look at the San Luis 7-day forecast. Upper 60s, low 70s across the board. And that's really what we're seeing here in this forecast overnight and into tomorrow. Overnight lows, upper 40s, low 50s. Daytime highs tomorrow. A lot of folks are going to be within a pretty tight range on temperature. 68 Santa Ynez, 69 Carpinteria, 73 Cuyama. 5 cities, yeah, the beaches on the cooler side, lower 60s because that breeze in the afternoon will be significant, but you don't have to get far away from the beach before it gets a lot more comfortable. Morro Bay just 60, 65 Avila, 71 Atascadero, 72 in San Miguel. And your extended forecast here, once we get into the weekend, yeah, some coastal clouds reappear here once the winds calm down a bit, but this is sort of the noteworthy thing. Paso Robles and North County for the weekend, warming back up into the low, maybe even mid 80s, but again, that's not hot in any way, shape, or form. Scott, Karina, back to you.